have perpetrated a breach. I couldn't get the door open all the way to get in, but it was open enough for them all to escape. And then the bunny came in. Now I have to put the food in. And now I'm going to eat, and then I'm going to put on this stuff. Oh, it's just come in. Look, it's your bunny. I know. Where are you going? Okay. No. No, Susans. Alright. Hey, no, hi. Oh, yes. So Margay's family is coming to pick her up. They were thinking around 1. You never know how long it's going to take lapse and paperwork and stuff, so. And they just got back at 3 in the morning from their trip, so they had flight delays and stuff, so they're probably exhausted. But they had to come and get their Margay. Oh, I'm going to miss my little Margay. She's so adorable. Bunny, that's not for you, Bunny. Treats ready to go. I know this is so chips. Hey, Bunny. Jag has escaped. All of your toys. Put your toys in your food box. Play with whatever you want. Oh, so let's do this. There are some adorable pictures of the Linstigator on Facebook. I have no idea how this thing got so. Must have been quite an attack. This was donated by Nico-chan Toys. It's a Nico napper. It's pretty cool because the roof zips and velcros on and off. which is kind of awesome, and it's super cozy on the inside and super soft. Oh, it's so nice. But there's nothing in that. It's just her little funny hand into my bowl and put it over. Hopefully it's empty. So, oh, there's someone pulling into the driveway right now. These are the first adopters that I have not yet met in person, but we have had several email conversations. I'm very excited. But I am going to miss my little Margay. Okay, everybody, I'm going to let in. This is it. This is it, little Margay. The people are here for you. Good morning. So we'll try to. Yeah. Yep.
Hi guys.
Are you okay with being on the camera?
Oh sure.
Okay. Everybody's been
Wrong action takes
anxiously.
place.
Yep. I will close this so that's.
Hey fellas.
Oh my gosh, here she is.
So.
Oh my god, sweetie pie.
Oh.
Sweetie pie. Sweetie.
Whoa.
If you sit, she'll come right over.
Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! So much excitement!
Come down.
This is what both she and Bobcat, when they get excited, they
Good
just
girl.
run
Oh,
around.
don't be scared.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm
Messed
like,
up the cam.
Don't be scared of us, sweetie pie.
No, she's.
Oh, good, yeah.
I know it.
I can't get on my knees.
Oh, do you want to chair?
Whoa.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my god.
Let me grab it. I'll grab it.
Oops.
Nice
We're all
yeah.
scared. Hi, babies. Hi, babies.
That frisky thing.
Oh, they're hiding.
Hmm. Come on out, Zoe.
Siberian
Good
Jaguar.
girl. Good girl.
Come on.
See.
Little. She's little.
Ooh.
Oh, thanks so much.
Oh.
I know. This is Ben.
Come on.
They're all gone.
You want some too? Come on.
Oh, come on, sweetie. Come on, sweetie.
He's fast.
I know.
Oh,
So
our cats are gonna just go nuts when they. Come here, sweetheart.
Margay.
So that one up there is who's that?
This is Panther.
Oh, Panther,
He's
okay.
he's just here for a week.
Oh,
Because
okay.
his family is out of town.
Oh, look
I
at
get to
her.
Panthers it. I know. So
Big fella. I can get in here.
She's little.
and this is Bunny, my cat.
I can't believe she's running around already.
She was not. She was supposed to be, taking me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where my Maine Coon got fixed, and he was jumping off the counter
Yeah.
like, as soon as we brought him home.
Yeah, it's amazing how quickly they bounce back, especially when they're little. More delicious.
Come on,
But she's so-
sweetheart.
she's
I wanna
so-
pick her up.
I know.
You had her. You fumbled.
I know they're a little bit like at first they take a little bit of a warming up period. And you can see her little tummy's still shaved, but
Look how sweet
Oh.
she is.
they're little squats.
Yes, I want to call her sweetie.
Yeah, I think you're not a good cat wrangler.
So you pronounce it Margay.
Yeah.
That's how I
Good
pronounce
girl.
it. But you
Does
guys
she
can-
respond?
Totally.
So are they still
Gotcha.
doing
I think
Gotcha.
I think it's more the sound of
the sound?
my voice,
Oh,
or
okay.
so you could get away
Girl.
with calling her.
You know, she's gonna be another daddy's girl, just like the
Okay.
other two.
Oh, she is
There
really.
you go.
Oh, that was really sweet.
Come on behind you.
Oh, behind her.
Panther.
Good
Look
girl.
at that.
Oh my goodness, Panty Pan. Come here.
She is beautiful.
Oh, look at that. That's adorable. Anyway.
Come on. Don't too fast for you.
Yes,
Don't get away from me. Don't get away from me. Oh,
She's like, I'm going to make this difficult for
there
you.
you go. I got you.
Oh, Margay.
I got you.
Little Margay. She's
Alright.
actually so sweet.
Yeah.
Real
Good girl.
purr. Real purr.
Aww.
Stitches.
Once again, you're gonna get the first bonding.
Oh.
Panther. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're a little snake.
I'll say.
You're a little snake.
You rascal. I'm a bitch. I'm a snake.
Wow. So pretty soon, they're all gonna be gone.
I know.
And
You
then
got a new batch?
Well, I think we'll have a little
take
break.
a break.
Yeah, because it's been kind of an intense kitten season.
Yeah.
But I can't get
Every single one of them is just beautiful.
I know. They are very, very magnificent.
I guess they're about twice the size since they
Yeah.
came.
Yeah, probably even more than that maybe.
Yeah.
But and yeah, usually when they're adopted out, Margay's little. She
She is
might
little.
remain little. Like if you compare her to Siberia, is huge. And Jaguar, hi Patty Pat.
Okay.
Little Margay. Oh, flippy snap.
Yeah.
I've been putting her with my big cats, so they're playing around. They used to be one of the big cats, but they love
Yeah, cats are pretty big.
Yeah.
Even our
Yeah.
female ragdoll is pretty big.
Yeah. And do you have a Maine Coon and a Ragdoll?
Yeah.
Maine Coon is super gentle,
Yeah.
Aw,
and the ragdoll is super fast. She just runs like the wind.
Yeah,
So
that's-
So she'll have competition.
yeah.
Yeah.
Little Margay.
You're so pretty. So pretty. Or should I say handsome?
I'm very handsome.
Aw.
Margay.
Little stripes.
I know.
Oh, that's Margay's tail.
Yep.
Yeah.
So they have to keep this little. It's like they're like wildcat meows, not like
Yeah.
actual cat
Yeah.
meows. Like funny cutie under the cat. They're singing the songs.
All right.
Let's see.
She turned around, you run right around.
Uh-oh.
What?
There you go.
I know they haven't been around.
Too.
Lots.
Maybe she doesn't like my big black coat.
I'm gonna find the other two.
Come on, sweetie. Come on, sweetie. Margay. Come on, sweetie pie. Come on, baby. Oh, well, look what I got.
You got
Look
another
what
one?
I got.
Maybe we'll take this down.
Here's baby. Whoa!
Whoa, where's your wrangling skills?
Oh, she doesn't want to be picked up. She doesn't want to be picked up.
I'm gonna get you.
There we go.
I'm not kidding today. There was a laptop.
Oh.
Aww.
Yeah, she's actually one of the more confident ones. So I have no doubt she would come around very quickly. Yeah, she's got such a sweet face. She is fast. She is. She's going to be very princess.
Yeah.
A little princess. So Dr. Ferguson told me that she has the stitches on the outside of her head just because it's so wrinkly back there, you know, and in case she didn't want to have any risk of creeping up.
Yeah.
Right.
So you will need to get them removed in 10 to 14 days. Which you could, and you do have your free vet.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that only for 3 days?
I think Dr. Ferguson will want that
I
one.
think, yeah.
Or you could take it to your vet. Oh, look at that.
Our cats, I mean, I know they want us both, but they really like to be picked up.
Oh,
That's so
good
sweet.
little technique. You never learned the technique of picking up the cat.
I can't pick up ours because they're too big.
Oh yeah, Maine Coons are big.
Yeah.
Ragdolls are big too.
This is exactly. Ragdolls, they never come get away.
Yeah.
They just sit in your arms all day.
Oh.
No,
Oh my goodness! What is wrong? What are you doing over there?
Who ended up adopting this?
A lovely family from Washington,
Oh, wow.
and they've had feral cats before,
Yeah.
and so they kind of know like with these two were the most. My poor laptop. These two were the most I was the most worried about them just because they're initially so shy.
Yeah.
And I don't know that they'll ever be super outgoing, but they've come a long way.
They're like best friends.
And they're super bonded too.
Yeah.
So, like, they do everything together.
Look at me.
And I tried having, when we didn't have an application for both of them, I tried doing a sleepover just with Jack. to see
Yeah,
how
I
he
saw
was.
that. Yeah.
It was, he was so sweet, but he clearly was looking for it.
Getting sleepy.
Look at that.
She's getting
And
sleepy.
they're running.
Look at that. I need another picture.
Yeah, they're gonna run, didn't you?
She's getting sleepy.
Yeah.
I really miss her. She's a really sweet one. And we're gonna do a Facebook.
Oh yeah, for
Oh
sure.
yeah.
Excellent.
I'm gonna do a big introduction today.
Oh yes.
When we brought our rag doll home, we were worried with the big kitten, but we put the carrier on one of those bay windows, and he just stood there on his best behavior, looking in the cage. And then when she came out, she explored the house, and he followed her every inch of the way.
Right away. There was no problem at all.
Oh my goodness. What are you
Oh boy!
Look at her. She's quite concerned.
Oh.
And then we had a giant litter box for our Maine Coon, and the rag doll, he was really small. She ran down and used the big litter box. First day.
Well, I have no doubt she will love the big cats.
You ready for some new
Jack,
fun?
Jack!
Let's see.
Oh my goodness, Jack, Jack, what's going on?
Where was her ringworm? Is there any scabs or?
No, it was on. She had it on her face. She had one on the top of her head,
Oh yeah?
and on the inside of her arm. But it's all. She had her second negative. She's completely. Her hair's all grown back. She's
Nice.
completely. Yeah, she was.
Okay.
I know. She did not get it on her tail. Thank goodness. You've probably seen Bobcat's little bald tail.
No, I don't think I have, but I imagine
her
terrible for them.
Her sister had it all.
Oh, yeah?
But, oh, Jaggy Jag.
Whoops.
You didn't see, Lynx wanted to get up there so badly because he doesn't have a job. He was not very coordinated. He went home yesterday. So you guys must be so tired just getting back.
I'm so tired.
Yeah,
And we haven't eaten yet.
Oh my gosh.
Starving.
Yeah, I think we went to bed at about 2:30 or
Oh
3.
my gosh. How long? So from TV, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, I love
Are you
been there?
there?
just once.
Yeah,
just last
oh,
year.
yeah.
And just
Beautiful.
loved it.
Yeah, the beach is great.
Oh, that's
It's a
nice.
nice little place.
That's so great to meet you.
Let's think about it. We took a bunch of sheets down and towels for our condo, and did a lot of work. Didn't work.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it makes me so happy to see the perfect kitten.
Yeah, it's going to be well taken care of.
Oh, it's so good. Oh,
Check.
she's just so sweet. So she will get, she gets runny eyes from time to time, which is just that.
Yeah, our
Herpes
cats, we have
virus
to wipe their eyes once in a while.
Yeah, so I've been giving her these, they're like treats.
Okay.
One in the morning and one at night, and that helps clear it up.
Okay.
But she'll probably get it. I mean, my cats, pretty much every cat has it. Just some have
Yeah, and
symptoms.
then they dry, and then you have to
Yeah.
clear it out.
Okay.
So she has. They're a little like she's a little runny. I know, but it's not. Just a little. Just a little. She had her breakfast one. So and you can take those and then.
So how, it's been a while since we've had a kitten. How much do you
I've been free feeding them except when Buddy's around.
Oh,
So-
yeah.
But,
we do that too, but you guys voted on different foods for a bit.
Yeah. So
Sleeping now.
oh, that's the sweetest thing ever. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
little one.
Because you're so warm. He's just got so much body heat.
Yeah.
He feels it.
Oh, that's so sweet. Oh my goodness, you're so
Really
nice.
meows.
Of course.
I know, I've never heard such meow.
Look at those guys.
Oh, no.
Oh my god.
This is the problem with having them so long.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I could put it.
I know, well,
You always want them to go to good homes.
I
And then you
know.
feel better.
because they're like my babies, you know.
Oh, sweetie, you looking at the bag of treats?
Oh, she
Yeah.
she
You
is
looking
a
at the
little.
bag of treats?
Oh, she loves her some treats. Doing the Facebook pages helps.
Oh yeah,
And,
for
Are
sure.
they all linked together, I guess?
Yeah, I have them all linked on Tiny Kittens Facebook. And
Before we do tomorrow, we still have some introductions and kind of
Yeah.
see how
know.
the rest of the day.
No, Benny, no.
Plus we have to get some pictures and stuff.
Yeah, no. I know. You guys get a pass for
Cross.
Ooh,
I
casual.
see.
the first picture I took of her was with her little legs crossed. So adorable.
It's been a few years since we've had a kitten, so
Only a few years though.
She definitely could. She has her little scampy moments when she just zooms around
Yeah.
and plays.
And
And
Sasha does too.
She
right?
jumps
no.
over the Maine Coon.
Maybe
Oh.
they'll run
She's
around
She
together.
jumps like 2 feet in the air over top of him, and he's standing there looking around. And then you
He's
guys
not,
will both
he's not
jump.
as fast because he's so big, but Lily and Sasha will be best friends.
She will. Aw. Let's see. So you get all of your little accessories. This is somebody made that one of those for each
Oh, nice.
kitten, and then this is her little
Check it out.
blanket,
Oh, she's got her own blanket.
and it's got scent of her brothers on it. So that
Oh, and this is this is one of those. I saw it on
yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
So cute.
Yeah, a woman named Pam made one of those for everybody.
Okay.
Makes what? Oh my goodness. What?
Look at all your stuff.
Yeah. You got stuff.
And what else?
Oh,
Oh,
wait till you see the size of your carrier. It's Maine Coon size.
I know.
woman named Marg made one of those for everybody. And then a little packet. And then this is a little packet there.
Oh, do they go for catnip?
They-
Yeah.
They do. They don't always.
Yeah.
Well,
Most kittens
Our
don't.
females really haven't gone after catnip in the
no,
past.
not like.
Oh,
The
really?
males really like
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
I mean, our current Maine Coon Jasper, he could like be stoned or something.
Yeah.
He does.
Yeah.
He's a little cross-eyed. He's like behind the carpet.
That's what I've seen these guys. Oh,
Look at her trying to
there
get
you go.
All your stuff. Hey, all your stuff.
Yeah.
Yep, they come fully accessorized thanks to the internet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's amazing how people
Quite a
have
lot of support for them, eh?
I know, it's really
I
wonderful.
wonder one Saturday night we just plugged our TV into the computer into the TV and we're watching the
Yeah,
the
big
kittens.
screen.
I know, I watch constantly too. They're cute. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, let's get one more picture of everything.
Yeah, with all our stuff. And
Yeah, with all the little accessories and looking so relaxed. Oh, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, so cute. Okay, good. Thanks. Yeah.
so I guess when we're ready to go, I'll put her down and I'll bring the carrier out.
Okay. Or I can go, is it downstairs? I can go grab it.
Oh, it's in the car.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you want to marry with the carrier.
No, I don't think I want to risk it.
Yeah, she might,
Oh, she might just
something
Wow.
might spook her, yeah.
Oh, she's very comfortable.
Yeah.
I know, this is so great. I love seeing her. She's just snuggled right in.
Yeah, and your little buddies here.
Yeah, definitely rude. Well, that's supposed to hang down there.
I think these guys are part Siamese looking a little.
Yeah, they do look a little bit.
Say
They're
goodbye to
beautiful,
your
though.
sister.
They're beautiful.
Okay.
Look how beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smoky ash.
Say goodbye to your sister. So sad. Oh, goodbye. It's nice that we still have these two and Panther's here for a week.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. So,
She says that was, looks like she's wearing that pretty good enough to worry about.
yeah, so you just want to keep it up. She hasn't been scratching her stitches or anything.
Yeah.
Her tummy's fine. She doesn't need
Yeah.
anything taken out there.
Sniff. Sniff. Yeah, you're okay.
Oh, yeah. She's good.
Just a little jitters in the finger. We'll take it down and kind of come back
She might
to
be
get you.
a little bit scared on it.
Yeah, yeah, I'm sure.
Well, we leave them in the carrier and then the cats check it
Yeah.
out for a while and then
Yeah.
That's
ease
good.
into it.
Just, yeah, and if you start in a small room and let her get comfortable there. But
Oh,
I think
look
she'll
at
be,
her.
she'll be pretty, I think she'll be pretty quick to
Yeah.
adjust.
I love your striped PJs.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we saw the bath night. He only watched it all day, but I saw it quite a few times. The
Well,
bath
wait a
night,
minute. I
bath
go to
game was
work
pretty fun.
Yes, the
Darling,
baby.
darling, darling.
I know, she's so cute.
It's weekend. Oh boy.
Oh, Oh my goodness.
You haven't had too many squeaks out of Margay yet.
No, she's not. She's
One
definitely
squeak.
not as talky.
Yeah.
She has like she's like a little raspy meow if she's by herself
Oh, okay.
and she suddenly realizes that there's no one
Nobody
around. Then you'll hear from her. But if she's got another cat around or she runs around, and she's usually pretty quiet.
Well,
It was nice
when we had our
pajamas.
first 2 Maine Coons
Yeah.
years ago, they were just,
So talkative.
yeah, and they used to prowl at night when people slept, and we used to have to set up things.
Contraptions to
Yeah.
keep them, so we wouldn't scratch the door, and
But,
they always
um,
solved them. And
Yeah, but the 2 cats we have now, they sleep all night.
Mhm.
not a peep.
You know, they don't prowl at 3 in the morning,
Yeah.
so we'll just have to see.
I had her. She
Whether
slept over
she-
after her surgery, and she slept the whole night. And then
Oh,
in the
that's
morning,
nice.
she came up and was making.
Yeah, I'm sure she'll adapt to the,
Biscuits and stuff,
the other
so.
cat's rhythm.
Yeah. Are you gonna be trouble or are you,
Yeah, she do be no trouble.
are you gonna
Oh,
be
You
trouble?
can't expect a little trouble out of a kid.
Little trouble.
Of course.
You're gonna have some scampy moments, aren't you?
Kid isn't trouble and not really good.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm looking forward to having a short hair.
Yeah. That would be nice.
Yeah, that'll be different. And little, she'll be little. I've never heard them so talkative.
They're kind of sad. They know what's going on.
I know. I think they see everybody else leaving one by one. Oh, you get to go soon. I hope.
Actually, let's go down with the carrier. Stay here, Lee.
Yep.
Right back.
All right.
Oh no.
My delicious. I think it's so neat how you can see her stripes on her skin.
Yeah. Yeah. I love the stripes.
So special. Right, Bunnies? Very funny.
Yes, she is.
Yep.
Should we get you a little dress?
Oh yeah, she's so cute in her little.
Should we get you a little dress?
Ooh, the volume got turned all the way up. I've probably been breaking everybody's eardrums. Siberia likes to adjust the camera. They all do.
Okay.
She also likes this little sofa.
Oh,
She looks
my
adorable
God.
on it too.
Really?
Yes. Oh, don't you?
I think we'll have to buy something like that.
Like a little kitty size
Yeah.
furniture. Great, she's such a little princess.
Aww.
Such a little princess.
Bunny likes that little tent.
I know. Oh, look, it's a tail. They've been, Kim,
She's licking her stitches.
yeah, it's okay to do a little bit of grooming down there, but,
Yeah.
you know, as long as it's not excessive and as long as you don't see, if it's becoming swollen or
Okay.
if the incision's opening, which it won't,
Okay.
but,
You like that too, don't you?
yeah, that sounds
Well, we're looking forward to having 3 cats on the bed.
Yeah.
The more the merrier.
Yep. It's good. It'll probably take her a little while before she's super comfortable, but I have no doubt she'll get there pretty quickly.
Well, I'm home for another week before I have to go back to work.
Oh, that's
And
nice.
Dave works from home, so he's around.
Yeah. Oh, so much fun. Oh,
Big.
one of those. Jaguar might try to go with you.
Our ragdoll, whenever we bring the carrier out, because we take our Maine Coon in for grooming once in a while, she just wants in there.
Oh.
he-
Or left in there.
But he hides
But
under the
he
bed.
hides
Oh.
as soon as he sees it.
My
He wants a
God.
ride.
Time to go, my God.
He wants to ride.
Bunny's the girl.
You got stuff there?
Bunny, you live here, Bunny.
Put this there. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're all in there. Aw.
Bunny doesn't live
Oh,
here.
look at her sitting with this two
I know.
stuff.
We have to close that couch.
We have to get her a little sofa.
Aren't you just
Yeah.
the most precious thing
I
ever?
think I saw them at Winners or something like
Everybody say goodbye to Morgan.
that. Say bye to Margay.
All of a sudden, this furious tightening.
I
Each out
I
thing's going
know.
like 100 miles an hour.
See,
We'll keep you posted on Facebook.
Excellent. Oh, they're saying, can we get one last close up?
Aw. Aw.
There she is.
What are you guys doing? Checking it out?
Look at all
Oh,
the comments going.
yeah. Bye, Margay. We love you.
Aw. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
I know. Oh, look how sweet. You're just so sweet.
I think the sofa has to come with.
I know. I know. I know. The Link. Did you see the picture of Link? Probably not because you just got home. But Link's. Before he left, I put his tuxedo on him, and then he was lounging in the
I
sofa.
haven't caught up on
We saw
stuff
that
yet.
picture of Bobby under the tree.
Oh, isn't that so
Oh,
cute?
no, I saw those when we were down in Tulum.
Oh yes.
Oh my god.
I know. So adorable. Do you guys probably didn't get it? This is the Link's one.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Green bow tie.
Yeah.
He's gorgeous.
I know. He's
Yeah.
very handsome. Oh, you're pretty cute,
tired now,
aren't
Margay?
you? Aww. Okay, say goodbye. Bye. Aww. You be a good girl. All right,
Snugger.
you can have her.
Hey.
You're pretty cozy on this couch, aren't you?
He's so
Perfect
good.
style. I know. It's amazing because these guys have been kind of. It's been difficult having people come in that they're not familiar with because
Yeah.
they definitely have that initial period of.
Yeah, for sure.
So,
Oh, look at her. She's sweet.
but so to see how comfortable she is really
Yeah, we saw some,
heartwarming.
we saw some wild feral kittens at a resort north of Tulum.
Oh yeah.
And I saw them under this bush, and I went and I grabbed one. And I was supposed to for like 20
Yeah,
minutes.
but
That's
then when
nice.
we were living in London, Ontario, we had some wild ones.
Barn cats, because we were right on the edge of the
And
farm.
we could
Oh,
never
yeah.
catch them.
No,
Yeah.
they're so fast.
Never.
Yeah. Usually if you don't get to them before they're 8 weeks old, then it's too late. And these
Yeah.
guys came in around 8 weeks, and so I was worried that they weren't. But I mean, it's just a testament to their character, like what great personalities they have that they've come
Yeah.
so far.
Well,
Yeah.
Tell her about that cat we brought home from
oh no, last year, when we went down to Mexico, we peeled a kitten back
From the shelter at Playa del Carmen.
Oh, that's so
and that
nice.
was such a great experience.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. I know, I love that. Wait, I have to move this up. So
Yeah, it was pretty special. She was just tiny, and she was just so cute.
Aw.
I kept
Rosy.
thinking, if this guy doesn't show up,
Right.
he'd be
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
But
But
he was there.
we had his little carrier. Once in a while, he'd stick her head through the
Oh.
top, see what's going on in the plane.
Yeah.
And the flight attendant kept saying, "Put that cat back in the carrier." Playing with it on the seat.
Come on.
His nice tail.
Look at that. I
His nice
know.
tail.
She's got a long tail. Long, luxurious tail.
Stripes.
Very straight.
You check this out?
Time to go, little Margay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look, it's Princess Headquarters.
Here, put this in there too. You got her blanket on
Yeah, her blankets.
Yeah. There's no spot in there.
That's good. Well, she'll have some familiar smells to go with her. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
it?
Oh, Bunny. We're trying to toilet train our cats,
Oh, really?
which is hard because they're always disrupted by
Can
having
you do
kittens.
that when they're older?
Yeah.
That would be awesome.
These guys have been using the toilet training because they're bigger. Like it's when they're small, it's hard because they can't really.
Wow.
Oh my gay! Are you gonna make some biscuits?
Yeah. She likes our litters, the pine litter.
Oh yeah, yeah,
It's really good for her eyes.
yeah. These guys have been incredible. Like they haven't had any accidents. They always have accidents every now and then, but these guys haven't had.
Yeah.
Wow.
Our cats.
They've been
Sometimes.
really good.
But usually I want to take a little piece of poo stuck on their fur and then run around the house and go flying.
Yeah.
And then they turn a corner. That's happened a few times.
Yeah, yeah. That I've
I
seen
washed
that
that
too.
blanket this morning, so she probably doesn't smell.
Oh, it's a nice soft one.
Ooh.
Oh, Margay, going on a big adventure.
No, soon.
Oh,
You got a good one.
yeah, nice and comfy.
You guys go to the litter box together too? Oh no, that's not.
I know, I know. That's Bunny.
Oh. I don't think it's
I know. I think he's pretty. He's almost there. He's almost there. But the inflammation in the lungs takes longer to.
Yeah.
You can see he has white, like little white sections on his whiskers. That happened when he had his fever and was so in such.
Oh really?
He was so sick
Yeah.
that his whiskers turned white. Yeah, yeah. What a brave boy. This is amazing that he's come so far. I'm very proud of him. Bunny, are you trying to get food snacks? Bunny?
Lie down.
Aww.
Aww, comfy little princess. Yep. Well, I thank you so much for
Home.
coming for her. And here, these are for you too.
All right, ready to get those?
And you can, I don't know if you end up going to Mountain View, she can give you it's lysine, which is just a nutritional supplement. So
Okay.
it's not a medication or anything. It's
Yeah.
just like a vitamin, but it helps with prevent the virus from replicating.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
Is it contagious or?
it's something that most cats have.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
kind of
our
like
cats-
the cold.
Our
Yeah,
cats have
so
one once in a while.
yeah, so I'm
You're
sure they
really
have it
after
too.
me for this, aren't you?
Oh, Bunny, I know. We had to put Bunny on a diet because when she got spayed, the vet said that he was like, "Whoa, we had to cut through several layers of fat to get there." And I
Oh
was like,
really?
Yeah.
So now,
Chubby.
Come on.
so now she's on a diet. Well, thanks for coming right from your vacation, and
Oh, no problem.
hopefully you can have some food and a nap, and
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what we're gonna do.
yeah, have some snuggles.
Well, we always come out to Langley. We go to Heritage Meats. We
Oh
go to,
yeah.
We go to the Hops. Sometimes we go to the Cupcake Place.
Oh, yeah.
Patisserie and
Yeah.
yeah,
All the
Romeo.
things. Dr. Ferguson's vet is right by Heritage Meats.
What was it?
Yes. All right. I'm sure everyone's
Yeah.
Yeah. There goes one.
Not the first time I escaped.
I tried. I know. No, it's already. It does. It's